Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we initiated a programming of our CASA-NUKITAB. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For step 1, you require 1 part C, 2 parts G, 4 parts 4, and an Allen key just for tightening. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For the next step, you require 2 parts F and 4 parts number 6. Let's go ahead and install now. For our next step, you require our previously installed parts, also 4 parts number 2 and 2 parts number 3. When assembling, just make sure these pilot holes are facing one side. Also, just to acknowledge, when assembling, you'll see that these two holes here will align up here to make sure it's in the same direction. Let's go ahead and install now. We're going to do the same for the other side. For the next step, this is a repeating step. You'll need 2 parts D, 4 parts G, 8 parts number 4, and an Allen key just for tightening. Let's go ahead and assemble now. We're going to do the same for the other side. For the next step, we're going to be joining our previous assembled parts, and we're also going to be using 8 parts number 2 and an Allen key just for tightening. Let's go ahead and assemble now. We're going to be doing the same process for the other board. the next step, you require part H, which is the back brace, and 4 parts number 5, which is the screws, and an Allen key just for tightening. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, you require 1 part A, 2 parts E, and 4 parts number 3. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For the next step, you require 2 parts B and 8 parts 1, the screws, and an Allen key just for tightening. Let's go ahead and assemble now. We're just going to do the same for the top board here. We're just going to join our 2 previous assembled parts. Using parts number 2, we need 4 of them. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For the next step, we're just going to be installing 6 part eyes. The next step is our optional step. It's an anti-tipping bracket. Please go to our instruction manual to view how to install. Thank you for watching the product assembly of our CASA-NUKITAB. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies and more of our products. Thank you.